Good morning mga kababayan. Isang gabi na kami dito mga kababayan. Nandito na kami sa baba. Mamasyal daw kami ngayon mga kababayan. Inaantay pa namin sila Tito Pibilab mga kababayan. Nandito po sila Sir Paul at Peter Paul. Nandito na yung inaantay namin. Nandito na siya Tita Pibila. So lalabas na kami. Nandito na.
Dito daw. Sa kabila. Okay.
Teka, sabi nila, Yabalia. Melita Yabalia.
Dito na ako, Kirby.
Morning.
Morning.
Patay na tayo sa...
Magandito ka na.
Dito ako sa may bintana.
Everybody know Bangkok, no? Yeah. Bangkok or Bangkok. Village of the olive tree.
Village of the olive tree.
That is the meaning of Bangkok. Yeah, village of the olive tree. Bang is mean village. Kok mean olive tree. Village of the olive tree, first built for the town. There is a lot of olive tree.
Where?
That's why near to the Chao Phraya River and Emerald Buddha. Have you ever been Emerald Buddha and the Grand Palace?
No.
That area, like a downtown, in the year 1782. But now, they moved to Sukhumvit Silom Patunam Siam Square, downtown city center. Yeah, before that area, near to the palace. Yeah, Bangkok signature. If you have time, recommend to visit Emerald Buddha and the Grand Palace. Visitors are there for that Emerald Buddha and the Grand Palace, for the high season, peak season, 22,000, 24,000 visitors a day, not per week, per month. Yeah, for this season, like a low season, about 12,000, 150,000 visitors a day for that Grand Palace. Because Bangkok, number one, the most visitor, to visit, number one in the world, for Bangkok. Last year, 28 million visitors to visit. Number two, the most visitor to visit, number one in the world, Bangkok. Number two is Paris. Anyone here from Paris? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Très bien. Je t'aime. No. Number three, London. And then number 14, 1415. It is a city in Thailand. Phuket. And Pattaya. Southern and eastern beach. Because Thailand, different part, different thing to see, to do. At the north, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, mountain, southern and eastern beach. Because Thailand divided 6 main parts: north, south, northeast, central, east, and west. There are 77 provinces in Thailand. 3 seasons: summer, rainy, and winter. Summertime, March, April, May, June. July, August, September, October is the rainy season. November, December, January, February is the winter. But we are here at the central part, Bangkok. Hotter and hottest. Hot and humid. Because if winter here in Bangkok, only 2 or 3 days. December, mid of December, 2 or 3 days. Do you know how many degrees Celsius? 22, 23 degrees Celsius. Some of the Europe person or Westerner, they said, Pam, that cannot say winter time. We say summer. We say summer, 22, 23 degrees Celsius. Yes.
Like
Yeah, but at the north,
like
northeast, is surrounded with the mountain. Yeah, the peak of the mountain, mid of December, 8 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. That's we say winter town. Yeah.
Still not winter.
Yeah. So no autumn, no spring, no snow. Thailand never seen snow before. So 3 seasons. Yeah. 6 main parts, 77 province. Yeah. And Thailand under constitutional system. Same system with England. Thailand still have king and queen. Government controlled by the prime minister. Have you ever seen Thai king and queen photo, picture? Yeah. If you visit to Grand Palace and Emerald Buddha. Yeah. And then with the third wife, one son. Yeah. That son studied in Germany. 18 years old. Yeah, but with this wife, no kids, no children. Thailand is the land of Buddhism. Buddhism. So, along the road today, yeah, you will see a lot of Buddhist temple. Buddhist temple in Bangkok, capital city, in the area of 1,569 square kilometer. Buddhist temple about 450. Every 200, 300 meter, there is a one Buddhist temple located. Yeah, the whole country, you know, about 43,000. Oh my God, 43,000 Buddhist temple in Thailand. Yeah, 93.5% Buddhist, 5.5% Muslim, Islamic people. The race is a Christian, Protestant, Catholic, no religion, and Hinduism. So highly venerated in Thailand Buddhist monk. Male who wearing for the yellow orange robe. Go out from the temple early morning, 6:30, 7 o'clock. Bring for the monk bowl, walk along the street, yeah, and then Buddhists offering food, flower, dessert, put in the monk bowl. That is the way showing respect and make merit. In the morning. Okay, so we come back to our program. Our program. After we take a long time by this van, as you saw. Yeah. Now we are going to the expressway. Yeah, we take time about 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours.
Driving?
Yeah, driving to the southwest. Yeah, we use Dramatu Road. We use Dramatu Road. Dramatu Road is the main road going to the south, because now we are going to the southwest. Visit to the Mae Klong district, Samut Songkhram province. Samut Songkhram province. The first destination, we visit to the Mae Klong railway market. Mae Klong railway market. We're going to watching for the train passing through the market. Okay, that is the first program. Take time, walk along the railway, take a photo. Yeah, if you have no breakfast, don't worry. That is the market. They're selling a various kind of fruit, food, good coffee shop. Yeah, along the railway. Yeah, good one. Don't worry, who have no time for breakfast because too early. This is the first round. Yeah, because my company we have the second round also, yeah, to visit to the market 7 o'clock and 10 o'clock, yeah, for this market. This is the Nan, 4 small river from the peak of the mountain, yeah, be together at the Pak Nam Po, Nakhon Sawan province, and from down here to the Gulf of Thailand, about 360 kilometers, yeah, divided to city. We are from Bangkok side. After we cross the river, visit to the next zone. That is the own capital city of Thailand, named Thonburi. Thonburi, the own capital city of Thailand. Yeah, Thornbury used to be the capital city only 15 years, and only one king. Because of the Thornbury town is often for the water flood. Yeah, change the new king, the new dynasty, new family.
Dito na kami mga kababayan. Ano siguro ito palengke.
A mí le llamé, pero hoy se sabe.
Ang daming bilihin mga kababayan. Kala.
How much is that? Ang dami pong tao mga kababayan. Ito lang bagal pala. Ayan na yung train. Inside.
Henrik, leo, maleo, Henrik,
Ang dami stick to it.
okay. Inside,
Vedo il tizio.
hello, you inside. Okay. Okay, Henrik, okay. Hello, hello.
Sure, ayan yung tren. Pero yung paninda niya, oh, sa ilalim na. Tita. Allah! Tita! Allah! Oh my God!
Grabe, ganun pala yun.
Dito yung perjura dito, oh. Naipit na tayo sa tren.
Muntikan.
Yung paninda nila, oh, nasa ilalim. Parang dito sa TikTok, eh.
Maipit lang tayo.
Biyahing Divisoria.
Oo, biyahe ng kilometer Alabang.
Tutuban. Tutuban to Paranaque. Tutuban to Alabang.
Hi!
Babalik na naman yung ano. Wow! Ilan yun?
Nat!
Balik na. Babalik.
Ayos na mga kababayan. Nakadaan na yung train.
Nat!
Dumadaan na yung mga kababayan. So, balik na naman yung kanilang mga atep.
Ano dito? Kita mo na yung train.
Balik naman itong mga atep mga kababayan. Tapos ang dumadaan yung train.
Hapon ka!
Kapon ka. Dito muna kami mga kababayan. Umupo muna kami dito. Vlog ba yan? Ano yan? Magusto. Sarap. Naantay pa namin yung sa mga. Yung mga kababayan, alis na kami. Balik naman kami doon sa aming sirkara. Mga yun na lang. Pagkapon doon.
So yun mga kababayan, nakauwi na kami. Speaking Mumbai at grabe yung experience namin dito. Di makakalimutan to mga kababayan. Nag-enjoy kami. Yan si Brad. Nag-enjoy ka, Brad?
Yes, nag-enjoy ako.
Nag-enjoy. So, isang malaking karangalan po na nandito kami ngayon kasama yung team. Siyempre nagpapasalamat kami kay Tita PB Lab, kay Sir Paul. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, iswala rin kami dito mga kababayan. Kaya maraming salamat po Tita, Sir Paul. Thank you so much sa pagkakataon at sa pagsama sa amin dito. Maraming salamat. Hindi namin to makakalimutan hanggang kailanman. So sana ay maulit pa to.
naman ako.
Sana nga. Oh, may tumatawag.
Sino yun?
Sagutin ko. So sa mga ano rin, sa mga sorry na distract sandali kasi may tumatawag taga hotel. So Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat po mga kababayan. Sa mga charity viewers, thank you so much sa laging nandyan para sa amin. So ako, pasensya na kayo, ako yung nag-outro ngayon sa vlog ni Master. Sawadika! Sawadika! Kaya isang greeting yun dito sa Thailand mga kababayan. Suportahan niyo din po ang aking channel, ang PB Team Peter Paul. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe po at i-hit nyo ang notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos na ina-upload at sa mga lugar na pinupuntahan ng Pugong Biyahero at ng team. At syempre, kay Master Brother Elito, ayan, subscribe din natin mga kababayan. Panoorin natin ang kanyang video at sa lahat ng PB Team Luzon, Visayas at saka Mindanao. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. God bless us all. We love you. Bye-bye!